Guys, we're moving to Greece.
Everything is possible. I feel like I'm packing too much.
I need to pack.
I'm gonna have to go out and socialize. This is the progress that we've made. I don't know what to expect.
Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, hi, my name is Ryme and I am no longer a solo traveler. My gap year has ended. I'm officially entering my last year of college. But there's a twist. We're moving to Greece, guys, for study abroad. I'm gonna be an Erasmus student and I'm so excited because Greece is literally one of my favorite countries. It's the first country that I've ever solo traveled to. It means a lot to me to be doing a year abroad there. I still have so many things to do and I need to pack. We need to be organized because I have only one checked bag. I'm going to pack and you're gonna help me because we need to be responsible. We need to make smart and critical choices and just use our brains because right now I just want to bring everything. Like girl. So we're officially starting to pack. My plane is in 2 days. I was supposed to start packing about a month ago and I didn't. And now I have to pack my whole life. Let's check what's the weather like in Greece. Damn! 22 degrees, but it used to be 30 degrees. It's pretty warm, guys. Brought this much of sweaters. The weather in France right now is just, I don't know what's going on. Maybe global warming, actually. The more that I age, the more that I know that I'm not meant for this, guys. I need sun. I know that I'm saying this as it is really bright and sunny outside, but it is an issue, guys. I'm so excited to move to Greece for that. To also live by the beach. I've never had that. Guys, this is the state of the packing situation. It's horrible. I'm also bringing this small suitcase, but this is actually terrible. So I need to recap what I'm bringing with you because then I'm only gonna bring a few long sleeve and I'm not gonna bring any actual sweater because I just feel like 20 degrees is not that cool. I just need a jacket and long sleeve and I will be fine. I think I'm just gonna bring one just in case. This one can go with pretty much anything. Something that I've tried to work on over the year has been overpacking. Be such an overpacker. In my family, when we would take planes, we would be like, okay, how much can we bring? And it wasn't even a possibility for me to bring less because I was like, we're paying for it, so I'm bringing as much as I can. Then I would end up not using half of the things that I brought and have to carry them around. And during my whole backpacking trip, I only had 7 kilos in my backpack at first, then it got bigger and bigger. I kind of want to have that same energy, but at the same time, I want to do so much this year, so I have to be prepared for like different occasions, right? Just don't know how this whole Erasmus is gonna go. I've never been an Erasmus student, so I don't know what to expect. How is it gonna go? Also, I'm gonna have to socialize again. For context, I studied law for 4 years in the same program. I've had the same friends for so long and I didn't really need to socialize that much. But it's been a while since I've had like trying to meet people because obviously I don't want to spend a whole year by myself again. I'm gonna have to go out and socialize and just do that. I don't know if it's gonna be easy. I'm not really scared of it because realistically I'm gonna meet a lot of people and I'm a pretty nice person. I know that it's gonna be fine, but also we never know. So it's my last year of college, guys. I'm so excited for it to be over and to finally be done with exams. I still have a couple of things to finish up in France. I have an exam that I have been studying for all summer, so I will be coming back hopefully for that. I'll tell you guys more about it once I have the results. So I'm bringing one sweater. That is done. So I think I need like 2 summer pajamas and then winter ones. It's so weird to be moving again and just leaving France again. I actually applied to study abroad when I was in the Philippines and I'm now like editing my Philippines vlogs. It's so crazy to think that actually is happening and I'm actually moving to Greece. I'm so excited for this year. Everything is possible in a way. I love Greece so much. I love the culture, I love the people, I love the food, I love the landscape, and I'm excited to see if maybe my perspective is gonna change a little. I'm gonna learn more about this country and also what it is like to live there. I feel like I'm packing too much. I'm packing too much. Oh my god, this looks actually terrible. I have too many things. Also, I need to bring so many liquids. Okay, so I've made a little progress. Currently sitting on this packing cube because it needs to be flat. Okay guys, so this is the progress that we've made. This side is done. I have too many products, but it will fit. And then I have to add a few more things like this. I managed to only have that suitcase and a backpack. Okay, so little update. My sister helped me because I was bringing way too many things. And she was the voice of reason, so thank you so much to my sister. Get to see me unpack everything that I've brought in the next few episodes. I'm so excited for what's coming next. If you've enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to subscribe and tell me what you thought in the comments and like, and I'll see you soon in Greece.